Primetime news this evening. Scary trend. 3 men arrested in the last 2 days for impersonating police officers. Farm workers told to brace for increased labor demand in the U.S. And the livelihood of farmers in southern Manchester gets lifeline.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Dwayne Anderson. There's also business news, sports, e-prime and weather in this newscast, so do stay with us. I will have the news in details right after this break.